Good morning, guys. Today we are in beautiful Reed City, Michigan, checking out a 12.5-acre parcel. This parcel has been recently surveyed and provides over 830 feet of Buckhorn Creek, which I'm standing right next to, that flows all the way through the property. This property is currently being used as pasture and has been extremely well maintained throughout its ownership. There's tons of opportunity here. There's rolling hills, great deer hunting, several spots where it'd be an awesome view to build your dream home. The opportunity here is endless. If you guys want to check this property out yourself, please reach out to me at the contact information below. I'd love to meet you out here, give you a private tour of this great Reed City, Michigan property. Hope to hear from you soon.